This is a tutorial for an intermediate combination that includes a split heel climb into an outside leg hook, then a Cupid flip, and then just a strong side position on the pole. Not really sure what to call that position, it's just like a preparation for an invert, but it's just a combination to just start building strength. So let's talk about the position of the hand, because you do move through a twisty grip. So if you just follow the same steps as me right now, so I'm just going to hook the inside leg. Obviously when we go up the pole, this bottom foot's on, but we don't want that there for now because we just want to get used to the position. So when you go up, you'll be in this position with your hands. But what you want to do is turn this top hand into a twisty grip, and then this hand goes down the pole into a split grip. So you've got a twisty grip on the top hand and a split grip on the bottom hand. And the wider you can get those grips apart, the easier it is to make the flip. So all we're doing is we're going from one back of the knee to the other, and that's it. Just try and keep it as easy as possible for yourself. So just going one back of the knee, straight to the other, one back of the knee, straight to the other. Okay? So do that a few times, just right now, so we know exactly what's happening with that hand. So knuckles go towards the pole, then I turn the palm towards the ceiling to hook on, and that's your split grip. Another way to kind of think about that split grip, if you get a little bit confused, is if your palm is facing backwards, it's just like that. So if you were there, your palm's facing backwards, it's just like that. It's a good way to think about it. So you should already have a split heel climb if you're doing this move, and you should already have your Cupid as well. You should be able to stabilise your weight in your legs. So I'll just show you what we're going to do now, how to get into that transition, what it looks like. Just be mindful to do it low down if it's your first time, or if you've got a spotter, someone else in your house or your studio who can just come and support your hips as you go through this. Okay, so one back of the knee to the other. So I'm going up through the split heel climb to there, walk. Then from there I lift up slightly just so I know that that hand's free. Take it into the twisty grip. This bottom hand comes down. And then from there, this is the moment where I have to switch. Lift the leg, I'm trying to do it in slow-mo for you. Lift, lift, pull, and lower. So really I want you to think about that final position as well, because that's going to give you more strength to eventually get back up the pole, okay? So go and have a little practice of that. And if you need any feedback, let me know.